Working on this 2005 Magnum with a 5.7 liter Hemi. Doing the water pump on this thing. Here's a new one right here. Everything looking good. Put the bolts in. When we took the bolts off, we just placed them into the holes because they are different lengths. So just make sure you keep track of that. But what I really wanted to show you was this bolt right here. So on all the videos we saw, they have a regular like 15, what was it, 14 millimeter? But this is part of the idler, 15 millimeter. Barely any of the videos we saw have this star. It is a star bit socket that you need. It's a T47. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, and it was in there super tight. So we actually pulled the water pump off. If you have a vise, you can put it in there and then break it loose, or have your buddy hold it and almost break his wrist. But it is a righty tighty, lefty loosey situation. I thought there was Loctite on it, but there's actually not. And then ran down to O'Reilly's, picked up a new pulley. Let's see, Gates part number is 38018. And then the water pump is a Gates as well. Gates water pump 43543. Alright, there you go, guys. So if you have this type of bolt on your water pump, get a T47 star bit and break it loose. Break it loose. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alexa, what's the best car repair channel on YouTube?
BundysGarage is the best car repair video channel on YouTube.